Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by making sure the Gmail app is installed and up to date. Once done, open it and tap Add Account. Enter your Google email and password and follow prompts to accept permissions so Mail, Contacts, and Calendar sync correctly. If you use two-step verification, have your phone or backup code ready to complete sign-in. Make sure notifications are allowed so you get new mail alerts, and choose sync frequency. These steps get your account active and visible in the app. Once signed in, learn how to navigate quickly. Swipe left or right to archive or delete, and long press messages to select multiple items for batch actions. Tap the menu to manage labels and move messages, and use the search bar with simple operators like from or subject to find mail fast. Make sure to adjust swipe actions, inbox type, and notification settings in Settings so your most important mail appears first. These choices streamline daily use and prevent inbox clutter. To finish, tap Compose to write a message. Add recipients, subject, and attachments, then tap Send. You can use Undo Send immediately if you change your mind. For advanced needs, schedule emails, add a signature, and use Reply All sparingly to avoid excess replies. If something goes wrong, make sure your device has network access, that account sync is enabled, and Gmail has required permissions. Clearing app cache or re-adding the account often fixes persistent sync or send errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.